You might be thinking that everyone knows what love is. It's the feeling you have for your partner, family, and friends. Here are the 5 fascinating psychology facts about love. Let's begin. Number 1. The science behind love. Love comes from our subconscious mind, containing 10 times more information than our conscious mind, thus making love an uncontrollable feeling that we cannot get rid of. Number 2. Hugs and cuddles. Oxytocin is the love hormone for a reason and gets released by your body once you embrace or cuddle with someone. The hormone is found in the brain and sexual organs and could contribute to the bonding process between two individuals. Number 3. Holding hands affects the body. Love can be healing for couples with deep connections. If your partner is going through a rough patch, you can soothe them by holding their hand. Number 4. Love dreams. According to psychology, dreams reveal our deepest desires, secrets, and fears and anxieties. Love dreams can reveal many hidden truths about ourselves. For example, a dream about falling in love with a stranger could mean that you're feeling unfulfilled. Or a love dream about your partner could mean that you have a strong connection. Number 5. Gender and love. Men and women experience love differently. For example, men fall in love within 18 seconds, while it takes women up to 15 days. Research shows that women are less likely to initiate sex when they're in love, and with men it's the opposite. Other studies have found that men are more romantic and will likely say "I love you" first. These are the 5 most interesting and fascinating psychology facts about love. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, do support. Thanks for watching till the end.